Have you tried homemade bread? Kung hindi pa, let me try to convince you. Tune in. This is bilhin or gawin. In this series, we will try to figure out if something is better na bilhin or gawin. In this episode, we are talking about loaf bread. I got myself a bread maker and this is my very first loaf. The ingredient is already here. Pause nyo na lang if you want to use it. But each bread machine is different, so if you have one or if you're planning on getting one, follow nyo na lang yung instructions sa bread machine nyo. Mine has a yeast dispenser, kaya I think the recipe may be different. 4 hours yung aabutin for one loaf of bread. I know this seems like a long time, pero wala ka naman kasing gagawin in the process. This is a standard loaf. Yung crust niya, normal crust lang. Marami pang settings that you can explore. Anyway, let's talk about the quality of the bread. For my first bread, I am pretty happy with this. I think this looks beautiful. Syempre, kailangan nating tikman to figure out whether something is better bought or made. Pero if we're talking about the taste, sobrang sarap ng homemade bread. Iba yung level of softness niya. It's not too sweet. Wala rin siyang sour aftertaste. Easily, kung taste lang yung pagbabatayan, I can say gawin nyo to sa bahay. Let's talk about effort. Now, I have a bread maker, so things are super easy for me. Just put everything in the bread maker and it does everything for you. This is so much easier than walking or driving to the grocery store. Siguro, yung most difficult aspect na ng bread making for me is slicing the bread. Pero this can easily be solved by getting a good serrated knife. So kung effort lang pag-uusapan, I would also say gawin. Let's talk about cost. Commercial bread would cost you 79 to 85 pesos. And I think each loaf would weigh about 500 to 600 grams. If gagawa ka ng loaf sa bahay, the ingredients would only total to 25.6 pesos. I managed to cut 10 slices, pero kaya pang madami pag magaling ka mag-slice. And yung weight niya is around 450 grams. So kung cost yung pag-uusapan, I would also say gawin. Does this mean I would stop buying commercial loaves? Probably not, kasi may good factors pa rin siya, like longer yung shelf lives nila and they're readily available. However, in general, if you're going to ask me now if gagawa ako or bibili, I would say gawin. This is so delicious. It's totally worth your time, effort, and money.